Welcome to 5-Minute Plank Transform Your Body. Ever wondered what would happen if you just held a plank every day for 5 minutes, like just committed to this one simple exercise? What kind of impact could it have? We're talking about planking, people. That seemingly simple but surprisingly brutal core strengthener. It's everywhere, everyone's doing it. But why? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of planks, exploring what happens to your body when you make it a daily ritual. Get ready to unlock the power of the plank. So planking. It's not just some trendy fitness fad, folks. This exercise has been around forever, for a good reason. It's like the OG of core work, and for good reason. It's straightforward, you don't need any fancy equipment and you can do it pretty much anywhere. But don't let its simplicity fool you. This thing is a total game changer. We're talking about a full-body workout disguised as something you can do while watching TV. It's the ultimate test of strength and endurance, and it's about to become your new best friend. Alright, let's break down this bad boy. The plank, it's all about holding that straight line from your head to your heels. Think of your body as a rigid plank of wood, hence the name, right? You're engaging your core, your glutes, your shoulders, even your legs are working. We're talking about a full-body engagement, people. But it all starts with proper form. We'll walk you through it step by step, show you how to get that perfect plank position, because trust me, you don't want to mess this up. Bad form can lead to injuries, and nobody wants that. Let's talk about the core, baby. That's what planking is all about, strengthening that powerhouse in your midsection. We're talking about those deep stabilizing muscles that support your entire body. A strong core translates to better posture, reduced back pain, and improved athletic performance. It's like the foundation of your physical strength, and planking is the ultimate core builder. We're going to delve into the science behind it, show you how those muscles are working, and explain why a strong core is so damn important. But here's the thing, folks, the benefits of planking go way beyond just a strong core. We're talking about improvements in your overall fitness and health. Planking can boost your metabolism, increase your flexibility, and even improve your balance. It's like a domino effect, one positive change triggering another. We're going to explore all these ripple effects because this is about more than just six-pack abs. It's about enhancing your overall well-being. Alright, so you're ready to embrace the plank challenge, but hold up. There are a few things you need to know. We're talking about potential challenges, common mistakes, and how to avoid them. We'll give you tips on how to progress gradually, how to modify the plank if you're a beginner, and how to stay consistent. Because consistency is key, folks. It's not about doing one killer plank session and calling it a day. It's about making it a daily habit, a ritual, a non-negotiable part of your routine. But hey, don't just take our word for it. We're going to bring in some real people, everyday folks who have experienced the transformative power of planking. You'll hear their stories, their struggles, their triumphs, and we'll also get some expert insights from fitness professionals who swear by this exercise. They'll share their knowledge, their tips, and their motivation to help you crush your plank goals. So there you have it, folks, the complete guide to planking. We've covered the basics, the benefits, the challenges, and the inspiration. Now it's your turn. Get out there, get planking, and watch your body transform. Remember, consistency is key, proper form is crucial, and gradual progression is the way to go. You got this. Alright, folks, we've explored the power of the plank. This simple yet incredibly effective exercise. 5 minutes a day, that's all it takes to unlock a world of benefits. Strengthen your core, improve your posture, boost your metabolism, the list goes on. Make it a daily ritual, track your progress, and watch your body transform. And hey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more fitness tips, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the plank love, people.